Let's talk about another aspect of drywall. And I'm not talking about the color of the board this time, whether it's green or whether it's purple board or red board. I'm talking about the white board and its width and length. Here we have an opening that's almost 12 foot wide and 9 foot tall, yet we're still able to complete this wall with just one seam. And that's because we use a 12-foot long board that's 54 inches tall. And that's a lot bigger than the ones you see at Home Depot or Lowe's, which are only 4 foot by 8 foot. And this allows us to have one seam in the middle and no seams going up vertically. It's a much better result, a lot better finish.